Hello, hello, happy Thursday. Today is our last day of new learning, so tomorrow you will get a chance to take a break, catch up on anything you haven't done throughout the week, and go ahead and start your weekend. But for now, we're going to go ahead and do our warm up. Remember on Tuesday, we did 1, 2, and 3. We were using the word problem sheet that started with Joan has 41 baseball cards. So go ahead and grab that now. Today we are going to do 4, 5, and 6. Remember, I really want you to try to do them on your own. If you make mistakes, that is okay. I really want to see what you can do without an adult helping you. So try to remember how we did this in class. Go through those steps and do your best. All right, I'm going to go ahead and read number 4. It says Sarah has 38 violet balloons. She gave Tim 20 of the balloons. How many violet balloons does she now have? Go ahead and circle your numbers. Remember, she's giving away her balloons, so if we give something away, does that tell us to add or subtract? Remember, if you're going to subtract, the big number needs to go on top. And then you're ready to write your problem and solve. Go ahead and pause the video and do that, and then come back for number 5. Number 5 says there are 17 dogwood trees currently in the park. Park workers will plant 10 more dogwood trees today. How many dogwood trees will the park have when the workers are finished? Go ahead and circle your numbers. Look for a keyword. Write your problem and solve. Go ahead and pause the video and then come on back for number 6. Number 6. Nancy's high school played 41 basketball games this year. She attended 18 games. How many basketball games did Nancy miss? Okay, let's think about that keyword miss. If you miss something, would that be addition or subtraction? Go ahead and circle your numbers, set up your problem, and solve. Okay, so when you get finished, you should have completed 1 through 6, and you're going to save that to snap a pic and upload. If you get finished with all your work and you're looking for something to do tomorrow and you want to finish 7, 8, 9, and 10, you are welcome to, but it is not required, but that is an option. But all I'm asking that you complete for me is 1 through 6, snap a pic, upload, and turn in. Have a good rest of your day.